Have you been wondering how to get more clients in your practice, or wanting to see how you could kind of keep building up your practice to reach your dreams? Well, you are in the right place, my friends. I'm Adrienne Peck-Souza. I'm a registered dietitian, certified eating disorder dietitian, supervisor, and the owner of I Live Well Nutrition, which is a group practice in Austin, Texas, and the founder of Fearless Practitioners, where I teach you how to build your dream practice through real life experience so that you have a foundation to keep going. So today we're going to talk about how to get more clients, because that is what everybody is asking. And there's a whole bunch of different things out there, but first and foremost, it is all about the marketing. Every single Wednesday, I share tips either here or on my Instagram or Facebook on simple tips you could be doing. So make sure you check out every Wednesday for Marketing Wednesday. So the first and foremost thing to get more clients is marketing. And I know a lot of you guys might be new to private practice, so you got a time block. There's no way around it. You need to find out when you have time to do the marketing. So let's just pretend you've got 4 hours during the whole entire week to market. Sweet, that's a ton of time. So maybe 1 hour you're researching all of the providers in your area that you can connect with. Maybe another hour you set aside to meet those providers. So setting up coffee dates, time for lunch, all of those great things. Maybe the third hour you are blogging. I know, I'm not a fan of blogging. I love to talk on the video and all of those things, or on a podcast. Make sure you subscribe to Fearless Practitioners podcast. But also, you can blog, and that helps your search engine optimization, your SEO of your website, to get up and up and up and up on Google. And maybe on that fourth hour, you're doing a Facebook Live, an Instagram story, IGTV, whatever it might be, and have consistency. So really making sure you're showing up for your community and helping them understand how you're going to serve and support them. Another thing you can really do to get more clients is understand where they're coming from. Who is sending them to you? Who is your number one referral basis? And if you don't know, oh dear, we have got to do some research. We got to do some Googling. So for us, we specialize in eating disorders, so a lot of our referrals are going to come from therapists, going to come from psychiatrists, and a couple will come from their primary care physicians. We know this. And if you're working in diabetes, it might be your endocrinologist, it might be your PCPs, whatever it is, do your research and know who is going to be your number one referral base. So that's tip number 2. And our last tip on how to get more clients is tracking. I am all about tracking to see if this is actually working. So we send out all of this information, we meet with different people. We want to see if all of this time is paying off. So getting out a fabulous Excel spreadsheet or in a Google spreadsheet and tracking who you met with and how is it going. And guess what? You need to follow up. I can't tell you how many times I work with other providers and coaching as a coaching client, and they don't ever follow up. They might have coffee one time with one provider and never see them again. And I wish I could shake you guys, because I want you to follow up. If that's in 3 months, if that's in 6 months, whatever feels great for your practice and your timeline, follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up. So let's review those 3 ways to get more clients. So number 1, time block. Figure out what you can do with the time you have. And it might be doing research, meeting for coffee and lunches, blogging, or showing up on social media consistently. Number 2 is figuring out your top referral providers in your area. And number 3, tracking. I hope you really got something out of today's video. And even more so, we are going to be having a workshop all about insurance, billing, and HIPAA. And if you're new to private practice, or you're wanting to make some more money, or if you have no idea if your practice is HIPAA compliant, you gotta come to this workshop. So make sure that you are signing up, and if you're watching this later on, all good, we'll have it recorded. So definitely click the link in the bio to sign up for that workshop so you can make more money, make sure that you are HIPAA compliant, and that you have got clients coming in. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope you learned something. Again, my name is Adrienne Pexoza. Y'all have a fabulous rest of your day. Make great decisions, and I will see you guys later, Gators. Bye.